my day, I had to travel a fortnight to get the best drinks. But not anymore. Welcome, this is Barrio at home. How to prepare the old-fashioned Barrio style. So you got your drinks, get those bad boys into the fridge, get it nice and cold. Okay, this one's gonna be real nice and easy. First thing you're gonna need is a glass. Or, how about 6? Why 6 glasses? Because in one of these guys, you have 6 cocktails. You don't want to be that one guy with a whole bottle, umbrella, straw straight out of the bottle. Or don't you? Now grab your cocktail out the fridge. What we want to do is get 75 mils into these glasses. Look, if you don't have anything to measure it with, just eyeball it. Your house, your rules. Now it's time to get some ice into them. You know what? Watch this. I love that trick. Now it's time to give these things a stir. Get it real nice and cold. You can use a teaspoon, tablespoon, whatever you like. For me, just joking. Now the most important part of this cocktail is the garnish. So grab that orange zest out of your garnish bag. You're going to want to grab it with both hands between your index finger and your thumb. You're going to squeeze that essential oil over the top. Smells good. Yep. Put that in top of your cocktail. And that is the old fashioned. See you in a fortnight, Granddad. The old fashioned.